Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make a Gerber file from your design in HFSS through ADS. So this is a Vivaldi antenna, and some antennas are one layered, top layered or bottom layered, but this is both layered. So in this tutorial, both the cases will be discussed. So first of all, delete this airbox, and then select this top layer and click on this modeler, click on this export. So it can export like here we can say it's a top layer, so I can say top layer and DXF. So it can export in DXF format, which is not well supported by the machine. So first we need to convert into Gerber file. Click on save, and now do the same for this bottom layer. Click on it and export, and do it like say bottom layer. Save in the same folder, not necessary, but click on the substrate, we can do it. But let's see, export as it's a board outline, so I'm saying outline. Save on it. So our task here in HFSS is done. Close it, don't save it. So create new workspace, create a layout, click on it, millimeter. Our design was in millimeter, so better just select this millimeter, otherwise your fabrication will not be correct. Click on file, click on import, select this as DXF, options. Okay, first of all we have to import, browse. Okay, these are the files. So first of all I will select this top layer. Okay, so top layer selected, and then I will select this millimeter again, okay and okay. So that's it, we have this top layer. What we have to do is like first we have to do some options here. Click on view, click on docking window and layers window. These are different layers. So it's basically conductor, it's a conductor out. You can see the top layer is like this. What we have to do is like we have to click on this option, technology and layer definition. Now layer, click on layer, add layer. Okay, don't worry about this. Layer 40 is the new one, so I will say top. Just top is okay. And for this, it should be conductor. The process role should be conductor, and it should be bounded to itself. And click on apply, and now this color is here. So now what I have to do is just we have to convert this into top layer, this top layer into just top, so that this fills our purpose. Select this. First we have to just make a properties window here. Click on view and properties window. So click on this. Okay, so click on this layer and just click on this top. Boom, it's done. So just you can say you can hide it, and you can just show it. So just this one is there. So click on this, and now this is the top layer. Convert it into Gerber. Export and click on this Gerber/drill. Browse. I think should be more options. For more precision, if your machine supports it, make it 3. If your design includes the up till 3 decimal points. And this millimeter, this is always a problem, so better check it every time. And rest things are good. Browse, and I would just like to do it on the desktop. Select folder and OK. So export has been completed for the top layer. now the same, let me just check the file, of course. Okay, where is it? Okay, this is it. So this is the file here top. Just keep it into this folder, move it into folder for safety. Now what? Okay, let's import the bottom layer. I think options have been selected this time, but better do these things, because once these things go to the machine, then the things are out of our control. Bottom layer. So now we have to select the bottom layer. Okay, and options the same. Okay, so now it will be the same. So this is here, we have to do the same thing again. Actually I didn't save it, so that's why I have to do it again. View and this property also. So this is actually the layer 2. Okay, so layer 2 structure. So we have to convert this into another one. First of all, you have to define another layer. Click on this technology layer and add layer. Let me show it. Okay, so this is another one. Okay, so I have to just say bottom, and as just like the top layer is also a metallic layer, so I have to just, it's a structure, so I have to just bind it to itself. So that's it. Okay, we have another, we have this created this one. Okay, so first I will click on this one, and because the properties window is there, I will just click on that and just click on bottom. So I will just hide everything else and just click on this. So now I have this selected. If other things are selected, then they will also be exported, so I don't want that to happen. Just this should be selected. You can clearly see this, these are the options: hide all layer, show all layer, and then I just click on this one and click on the export. Gerber drill is already selected. Browse, I will just like it the same in the desktop again. Browse. Okay, millimeter 3 and things are good. You should be 2 or 1, whatever you do, that's okay, but depends on the bit size of the machine cutting tools. And click on OK. So that's done, but the main part is that out the outline. So 2 are done now. I would just like to move it into this, and after this we will verify these things, okay, later. So let's import the third file, which is the board outline, board out, commonly known as board out. So you can manually create it in this CircuitCAM folder, but if you just directly do it, then it will be much precise as from your design. So what else? Okay, it's selected. Options are here. Okay, everything's okay. There's something wrong or what? I think we have I don't see it, but this outline, yes, of course it is. So the same, so it will also be a reminder for you. Layers window, and what else? Okay, first of all, layer I also have to define. So in this I don't need the property, in this I don't need this properties, because I don't have to shift it. I just need to make a layer about it, the bounding area layer for outline. Layer definition, add layer. Okay, so I will just say this like board out in small. Okay, and just remember this difference. Okay, this is the file I imported, and this is now the next one. You can also name it on your own, but I like the same name. Where's the bounding area? Yes, you don't need to bind it to itself, it's an outline. So okay, so now this outline, where is it? Okay, it's that same like color bottom, I just don't like it. And to remove any confusion, so I have to select it and just click on this one, so it will just point to the edge, and just click on this polyline, click on this, on this, and so it will be a perfect escape. Okay, so if you just hide everything and then just click on it, it will be visible to you. So it is an outline, the board outline, that's for the boundary of this design. So the design will be constrained in this boundary. Export it and browse the desktop, the same place, doesn't matter. Okay, I always do these to verify that nothing. Once I made a fabrication, so it was in mil, and then the design was much smaller than the required. So that's it, everything is done. I don't need to save it. No, where is it? Where's the file? Okay, there's so these are the files. Let's make a DXF and so I should keep the gerbers. Pardon me, but I have to do it. So let's check these values. Let's check these files. You can simply import them in ADS, HFSS, but this CircuitCAM software is basically used by the fabrication units to make the CAM files and job files for to be forwarded. So I use it so that it doesn't have. So I verify these design before even just giving to them videos. Okay, gerbers top, click on top, and gerber X is the format, top layer. You by designing in the HFSS, you just know this. Okay, this is correct because my design was 15 millimeters of this, and this I know it. I can import, and this okay, this is okay. So another, if I import another, the bottom was like this obviously, but let's change the bottom so different color. Okay, this is here. Actually, if I delete it, okay, it's here. This is the bottom layer, and now first of all I will import the outline. And outline, you have to board outline and import. Okay, there's an issue here. This is the issue I was talking about. I have to make it again. That's good that it happened now. So actually I have to do, let's do it. Okay, it should be just a boundary. It should not be something like a just like a metal, because it will just cut through it. So I will just go to the top layer, design, import again, and you'll be thinking that he doesn't know himself, how would he teach us? But these are the things you encounter again. Okay, I will just go to the top layer and manually make it, or I can make it again. No, I will just go to the outline otherwise. Actually, I forgot to delete the previous design. That's the reason. Wait a minute. Actually, I have opened so many designs that should delete this outline. Import, and yes, it is outlined, it's okay. So it's again done. I don't see it. Where is it? Actually everything is hidden. Okay, this is it. Share. So sorry for that, but outline has already been there, the same stuff. I think I would need to make another video, but click on this, select this for point it, click. When you are near this, it will be automatically switch, move to that point, and it will be easy for you. Click and then escape. So that's it. So first of all, I just want to just select this thing and click. I just want to delete it, so it is deleted now. So even though it is shown, so I have deleted it. So now when I will export it, so okay, so this, this was the advantage actually, that the error happened, and it was actually a blessing for us. This software was a blessing for us, because we checked beforehand that before time that our design is faulty and it will be problem for this machine. And import, just other things are okay. Now we will do step by step. Outline, and then board outline import. Now that's perfect. Okay, this is the, if you just study something and then see that this is actually how the board outline, this is how it actually is. Let's import the bottom one so we can see it. Select it, bottom one, import. That's perfect. Import, and the top at the last, and selected this one, import. Okay, so that's perfect. That now is up to the fabricating agency to just do with this, and then the lab staff will do all the fabrication. Now the file is okay for the machine, and that's how you convert a DXF file into GERBER file from HFSS into ADS, and then verify it through the CircuitCAM software. And even if it is any other software, but this is one of the software for verification of these design, so that you can just change it, because it just took me 1 or 2 minutes to just change it and just make it. So these are the actual file. This is the CAM file. They have it's up to them now. So thank you everyone. Allah Hafiz.